All right, last section before your quiz. So you do have a quiz on Monday. You have a quiz review tomorrow. This section is all about like comparing sides in a triangle, comparing angles, and like what has to be true in order for something to be considered a triangle, that kind of thing. So there's basically like 3 types of problems you could run into, and we're going to take a look at all of them. So first thing we're going to talk about is these inequalities in a triangle. And without me really going over this too much, I'm going to kind of put little, kind of just to help us out, I'm going to shortcut this and put all of the notes kind of up in one spot. So the main thing to keep in mind today is that the shortest side in a triangle, these are all still about triangles. So the shortest side is opposite, which opposite means across from, the smallest angle. And the converse of that, or the flip-flop of that, is true. The smallest angle is going to be across from the shortest side. So both of those are true. The other thing is that the longest side is opposite or across from, you're going to see me draw lots of arrows today, the largest angle. So the largest angle is going to be across from the longest side. The longest side is going to be across from the longest angle. So shortest across from smallest, longest across from largest. So for example, if we take a look here, I don't know if you can see this very well. I hope you can. It says, to support a triangular piece of a float, a brace is placed at the largest angle and a guide wire is placed at the smallest angle. So the brace is at the largest, guide wire is at the smallest. It says which angle, sorry, it says which angle is the largest and which angle is the smallest. So the largest angle is going to be opposite or across from the longest side. So if I look at my triangle here, this is the longest side. So if I go across from it, angle C. So angle C is the largest. And then the smallest angle is going to be across from the shortest side. So this is my shortest side. Go across and you hit angle B. It's really kind of the hard part of what you're doing today. So like down here, we have a garden box, and they again want to know which angle is the largest and which angle is the smallest. So largest angle is going to be across from the longest side. So this is the longest side. So across from that is angle E. Smallest is going to be across from the shortest side. Here's the shortest side. Go opposite that and you get angle D. So hopefully that makes sense. The other thing that you're going to do today is now we're going to take a look at triangles. Now we're going to be getting the angle measures, and we're going to figure out now which sides would be the longest. So we are now looking for the longest side. So in order to figure out what the longest side is, we need to figure out what the largest angle is. Well, they give us 62, 50. They're purposely not going to give you one of the angles because they're going to start to do that little spiral thing and have you figure out what it is. So just a little reminder, all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So if they give you 2 of them, add them together and then subtract from 180. And we find that this angle is 68, which is good because that actually is the largest angle. So then we go across and it points to this side. Sides, you use 2 letters, side LM. Switch it up I'll switch colors up to keep this interesting. Next, we have this triangle. Again, they only give us 2 angle measures, so we need to find the third. So we're gonna add 65 and 58 together. And we get 123, 180 minus 123, 8, 7, 6, 57 degrees. So now it says which side is the longest. So the longest side is going to be across from the largest angle. Here's the largest angle, go across from it, and it's going to be this side right here. Use two letters, OP or PO are totally fine. Does not matter. Same thing up here, you could have put ML. Just gotta make sure you use the same letters. The shortest side is going to be across from the smallest angle. That's the angle that we found, the 57. Go across. We have this side right here, which is NP or PN. So just make sure that you're going across from it. All right, the last thing for today is what actually needs to be true in order to create a triangle. So if you were in wood shop, this would be pretty beneficial to you. In order for you to be able to make a triangle, or in order to have the side lengths of a triangle, you have to have the two smallest side lengths added together. So you're going to take the two smallest side lengths, add them together, must be greater than, not greater than and equal to, it has to be greater than the third side. So you're going to always take, to be a triangle. So you're going to take the two smallest side lengths that they give you, or two side lengths they give you. If it is a triangle, that means those two small side lengths, when you add them together, if it's greater than the third side, then it's a triangle. If the two smallest side lengths added together is not greater than the third side, then it's actually not a triangle. So let me show you some examples of what you're going to be doing. So if I give you these three pieces of wood right here, and I want to know, could I take these three pieces of wood and make a triangle that fits end to end? I know some of you are going to be like, yeah, well, you could put that here, that here. You could try that, but it's got to be a good triangle, like end to end, whatever. So they give you 18, 19, and 40. So you're going to take the two smallest sides, 18 and 19, and we need 18 and 19 to be greater than the third side. 18 plus 19, though, is 37. 37 is not greater than 40, so this could not, we could put not a triangle. So this does not make a triangle. If you had pieces of wood that were 18 inches, 19 inches, and 40 inches long, you would not be able to make a good triangle out of them. You would not be able to make a triangle. Let's check this set. So we have 33 meters, 37 meters, 66 meters. The two smallest are 33 and 37. We're going to add them together, and that needs to be greater than the third side. 33 plus 37 is 70. So 70 is greater than 66, so this would be a triangle. Now, we're not always going to see nice visuals with like pieces of wood and stuff like that and heading to Home Depot. They're probably going to give you problems more like this. Could a triangle have 16, 39, and 28? So then what you're going to do, the two smallest, add them together, and that needs to be greater than the third side. 16 plus 28, 6 plus 8 is 14, 44. 44 is greater than 39. It says, could a triangle have these side lengths? Yes, it could, because 44 is greater than 39. So that kind of takes care of everything that you need to know for your quiz. I will be coming back on tomorrow to kind of chat about your quiz review. And then also a reminder about your quiz and all that fun stuff. But if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out.